Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Today video I want to share with you is about rice cooker, how rice cooker works. A rice cooker is a piece of kitchen equipment that cooks many varieties of rice and grains. They work by boiling water, which is then absorbed into the rice until it becomes tender. Rice cookers are automatic, which frees up you to work on other tasks while the rice cooks. This part is a magnetic contact switch of the rice cooker, and the pot is sitting on the heating plate. Once the rice absorbs all the water in the pot, the temperature will start to rise. The center bottom of the pot is start to bend inward and the magnetic contact on the switch released and switch to warming cycle. We have two pots here that we are going to try out. The one pot is curved out bottom, and the other one is curved in bottom. Now I put the curve out pot. The curve out pot pushed down the magnetic contact and started to heat up to cook the rice. Once the switch pushed down, the contact closed, and the plate starts to heat up for the cooking cycle. Once the temperature starts to rise, the contact opens, and turns to a warm cycle. Now I put the curved-in pot, but the switch won't close. It means the magnet doesn't reach the contact because it's far. I put the other pot, the curve-out pot, as you can see the switch easily close because of the magnetic contact. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you get some ideas today video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.